These people, they did a strategic plan to understand one tribe called the Kikuyus. And they understand the tribe called the Kikuyus, then after doing their research well, they said, we cannot just be able to defeat these people just like that. These people have something that is a bit strategic, a bit powerful, a bit strong, which if we don't look at it in that way that can cause us to understand them properly, we will not win against them. After they tried every trick, they discovered winning against the Kikuyu community is a bit difficult. So they went for a research and they did what we call spiritual mapping. They discovered three things about the Kikuyus. They discovered that Kikuyu has a direct connection with God, with their God, and their God is a supreme God. Number two, they discovered Mount Kenya is a portal that rules the world, and it's the custodians of the Mount Kenya, according to the book of Ezekiel 48, it is the Kikuyus, the Merus, the Embu people, and the Kirinyaga people. They then went to Mount Kenya, discovered that the temple of God, described in the same verse, the same chapter of Ezekiel, it is built there at the peak near Batiani. We have the temples. The Star of David is also there. And the route that God used, or maybe the Ark of the Covenant, when it was being brought to Mount Kenya, the route is from Samson Corner, from Kirinyaga,